Prepositions following adjective part 1. This quiz is about prepositions following adjectives. There are 15 multiple choice exercises to be completed. Wish you a good time. Let's get started. The student was anxious, the exam.
About.
The teacher was kind, the students.
To.
The weather was good, a picnic.
For.
The book was interesting, me.
To.
The child was afraid, the dark.
Of.
The man was nice, the dog.
To.
The book was full, interesting facts.
Of.
The teacher was strict, the students.
With.
The girl was good, math.
At.
The weather was bad, a beach day.
For.
The boy was proud, his achievement.
Of.
The movie was scary, watch.
To.
Regular exercise is beneficial, your body and brain.
To.
I was disappointed, his behavior.
In.
The music was composed a renowned musician.
By.
See you soon.